and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose because I'm the flower that blooms at night. And honestly, I just really felt like playing with makeup today. Like, I've been in such like a weird downwards depression-y like funk recently, and playing with makeup and drag literally snaps me right back to where I need to go. So this is the look that came out with it. I just knew that I wanted to play with blue eyeshadow today, and it kind of became a full like bubblegum Barbie retro 60s, 80s kind of holiday thing. So that's the look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this transformation. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other videos you want to see from me, and don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday, 8 PM Greenwich Mean Time, and stay tuned. I have so many like good videos planned and clothing hauls, wig hauls, all sorts coming throughout May. So let's get on with the transformation, shall we? Thank you so much for your continued support, and thank you for watching.